Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your old pal Oliver is Awesome back here again, and today we're going to be playing some more Animal Forest Puzzle World. I've decided that I'm going to do this Let's Play the same way I did with Sonic Generations on 3DS, as to where I will be holding my phone with my knees, because this minigame, this, like, side quest thing, requires you to have two hands on the system, and you have to be quick. I've already unlocked some of the modes you can do in the game, but I'll show those off. Um, I'll show those off some other time if you want to see them. What didn't I? Oh no, it's the cat. I'm gonna fight one of the birds. Ah! I feel so bad because the birds are my favorite. I don't want to fight them. Right, there we go. Shing! Blop, blop, blop. Oh no, oh no. Alright. Alright. Okay. There we go. I'm actually kind of hoping that I was actually kind of hoping to, like, upgrade my Japanese 3DS at one point, like, get an upgraded model, because, like, this one is nice, but the newer versions are way better. I mean, I'm happy with my, like, 3DS LL that I have in my hands, like, that is pretty good. It's a very good model, but the newer versions are way better, and, if I ever did upgrade, I'd probably most likely go for the Animal Forest Edition 2DS XL, because I love Animal Forest. Well, it's not the 2DS XL, it's the 2DS LL, I believe, because they didn't call it that in Japan. What does 3DS LL stand for, anyway? Maybe large, maybe? I don't know. I don't know. To be honest, I shouldn't really be thinking about getting another Japanese 3DS right now, because I need to get Neko Tomo at some point, because I've lost the demo! My SD card got corrupted and I lost the demo, and the demo for Sonic 2 Island Adventure. I mean, I lost some demos for games that I weren't too fond of as well, so that's a plus side, but still, I love Neko Tomo and I love Sonic 2 Island Adventure. Well, what I played of Sonic 2 Island Adventure, I loved it, so... I'm about to lose the battle. I'm only on the first battle as well? We're 4 minutes in and I'm only on the first... Oh no, that was the second one. Huh. Oh yeah, that check mark means battles you've done and haven't done, so keep that in mind. Don't do what I just did and assume that you're just being slow. Just don't assume that. You're gonna end up feeling bad about yourself. Right. Boop, boop, boop. Which reminds me, can we see Neko Tomo released in all regions? Do it for the Switch if you have to, but I just really want to be able to get Neko Tomo in my region. That was the complete wrong way. Never do what I do in games or side quests like this, because I am not skillful, to say the least. Right. And I could have used that blueberry on the top, but I chose not to, when I can use it down there instead. And there we go. Blop, blop, blop. That's just a noise I keep hearing. I don't know what that is. Blop, blop, blop. Ah, here's something new I can explain. This is the candy-themed battle when... And my phone falls, okay. There we go. I'm not sure what happened just then. Oh, it's speeding up, it's speeding up, it's speeding up. There we go. Yeah, this candy battle, you have to, like, score the candy as well, I believe. I haven't played this battle in so long, I don't even remember how. I think it's... Yeah, I think it's candy battle, and the fruit gives you some points. No, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't think the fruit counts as battles. I think it's just a candy. Or maybe it does. I don't remember how this battle goes. You'll have to tell me as you see me play. Right. If you notice, we're getting dangerously close to the final boss there, and just you wait till we get that. Just you wait till we get to the final boss, because it gets intense. Why? Oh god, oh god, oh god, that was not what I wanted to do, okay. Oh god, no. No, 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 no! Okay, if you guys think Animal Forest is bland and repetitive, you have not played this! Ching! I don't want to foul. I don't want to foul. Right, now my camera's going to start to glitch, of course. Right. Hey, at least this doesn't... At least this battle isn't on a timer. That's pretty good. So it's a little bit merciful, I guess. I might just cut this in a bit. Oh my god, I did not think I was going to make it. Right. Right. Okay, we're going to have a problem with this guy next episode. Alright guys, that about does it for this episode of Animal Forest Puzzle World. So thank you guys for watching, comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time with whatever else I bring you. What I am going to do is save. So that just that's permanently a part of the game, unless I delete my save data for the whole game.